Hey guys, myself Rakesh and I welcome you back to my channel. Today the topic is quite simple, UiPath Json Package. I see a lot of people are searching which is the package required to deal with JSON. For example, there are multiple activities in UiPath. If you are very new, if you are not aware, this video is going to certainly help you. Let's say HTTP request, deserialized JSON or deserialized JSON array, right? For all of this, what is the package which is helping me to get this activity? Because in general, if you simply search for deserialized JSON, it will not appear. You have to install a package, and the package name is quite evident when I'm keeping the mouse over any of the activity. So it is from UiPath Web API activity. So all you have to do, go to manage packages and install UiPath .web API activities. Okay, this is one thing. The second thing I'm also going to tell you, when you are writing expressions, right, you also require a namespace. I'm going to help you with that. So here let's go to official and I'm going to say UiPath .web. Okay, so this is the activity, UiPath .web API activities. And if you see, this package version requires Studio 22.4 or higher. On lower versions, some functions may be missing or unexpected behavior may occur. Package contains activities that enable the automation of various software component with less effort using their APIs, including JSON, REST, SOAP and XML. So different data formats that we can go for. So if you would like to deal with JSON, so this is the package that you have to install. Okay, so you can see I have already created multiple videos on how do you request data using HTTP request, and then how do you deserialize that, what is the difference between the output of this one and this one, what happens after this, and deserialized JSON array, what this is being used for. So all this I have created multiple videos. You can go to my channel, look for the previous set of videos by going to my channel. You'll be able to find it. It is part of the API UiPath API playlist. Okay, so this is one thing. The other one, when I have to write an expression to deal with JSON. For example, here I have written an expression. Let me show you. So Newton soft .json convert deserialized object. So if you are writing such expressions, for that you in your project you need to import a namespace, and to import, here you have the option beside the variable arguments, you have the import option, and here I am going to import something called Newton soft.json. okay, you just select that, hit on enter, it will automatically get it. Okay, just select that, it will automatically get added. So you will be able to see imported namespaces that you will be able to find it over here, the default ones and the newly that you have added. So these are the two major things which are required for you to deal with JSON. Okay, so if you are looking for an answer, what is this UiPath JSON package is used, what is the name of the package, so this video would certainly help you. So thank you guys, this is a short video. We're going to meet once again in our next content, so please stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, let's meet in our next content. Bye bye.